Turning justice into liquidity, the blockchain revolution in Brazilian Precatórios. Few markets illustrate the collision between old bureaucracy and cutting-edge technology as vividly as the Brazilian Precatórios sector. For those unfamiliar, precatórios are court-ordered payments the government owes to citizens and companies after losing lawsuits. The problem? These debts can take a decade or more to be paid. In practice, someone who wins a legal battle against a municipality might wait until 2035 to see a single real. Over my 2 decades working with tokenization and stellar-based infrastructure, I have rarely seen an asset class so perfectly suited for blockchain. The precatório market in Brazil is estimated at over 150 billion Brazilian reals in outstanding federal obligations alone, a colossal pool of illiquid value waiting to be unlocked. Let me walk you through how this is happening. The liquidity problem blockchain solves. The core issue with precatórios is timing. Creditors need cash now, the government pays later. Historically, this gap was bridged by an informal, opaque secondary market where investors bought these credits at steep discounts, sometimes 40% to 60% below face value, leaving the original creditor shortchanged and the process riddled with fraud risk. Tokenization changes the equation. By representing a court-ordered credit as a digital token on a blockchain, we transform a single, immovable asset into fractional, tradable units. A 1 million Brazilian reals precatório can become 1,000 tokens of 1,000 Brazilian reals each. Suddenly, a retiree waiting for payment can sell just enough tokens to cover immediate expenses while keeping the rest as an appreciating asset. When I structure these solutions, I favor the Stellar network precisely because its low transaction costs and native asset issuance make microfractionalization economically viable. On networks with high gas fees, tokenizing small credits simply does not add up. Building trust through verifiable records. The biggest objection I hear from legal professionals is, how do I know the token actually represents a real, valid court order? This is where my background in digital forensics becomes essential. Tokenization without rigorous verification is just speculation with extra steps. A robust process, the kind has advocated in industry discussions, requires 3 layers of validation: legal due diligence, confirming the precatório exists, is registered with the corresponding court, and is free of encumbrances or prior assignments.